guys, today I'm going to show you how to make frozen yogurt mango popsicles. So for this we need full fat yogurt, that's a 5% milk fat, and it's a Greek yogurt and one of my favorite yogurts. And we need some mango chunks. These are the frozen mango chunks. These are organic frozen mango chunks. You can use also the fresh mangoes and you can freeze them for some time before this recipe. That's just your choice. And then I have 1 cup of sugar and I have some cardamoms. Now first step is we are going to add, these are about 2 cups of frozen mangoes in the jar, and 1 cup of sugar, this, and some cardamom. And after this, I'm going to cover the jar and blend it. So now mangoes are blended and let's take a look at it. Here they are pretty nice consistency, pretty thick because they were frozen. They look pretty creamy. And if you guys like chunks in the mango popsicle, you can just blend it up to the point where they are a little chunky. So it's your personal choice. You want chunky or you want like a paste like this. So at this point, I'm going to add my favorite yogurt here. And this is 5% milk fat, so it's pretty thick. And I'm going to add around half of this container, and it's about 40 ounces. So I'm going to add 20 ounces of the yogurt in this. So now after adding the yogurt, we are going to give another good blend. So now the mango is all blended in the yogurt and it's ready to be poured, but you can see some of the yogurt is stuck on my blender. So I'm going to just use a spatula and fold that yogurt in nicely in the mango here. So it's all nicely mixed. We can give it one more blend, but I think I'm okay. I don't need one more blend. So now let me show you the consistency of this is pretty good and it's pretty thick with yogurt and mango and cardamom, sugar, and it's ready to be poured in the popsicle molds. So here I have my popsicle mold and I'm going to pour this in the molds. Everything is all poured now, and I'm going to cover this and put the popsicle sticks. So once it's covered, I'm going to put the popsicle sticks. Now the popsicles are ready to be put in the freezer, and we are going to put it in the freezer for 8 to 10 hours until they are ready. So it's been 10 hours and I took out my frozen yogurt mango popsicles, and I am going to dip this popsicle mold in the slightly warm water for maybe few minutes, 5 minutes, or just depending, because I will keep trying like this until it's ready to come out. So it's been few minutes. I'm going to pull this out. I'm going to take this out, and the ice cream seemed to have been loosened up a little bit, and it's ready to be served. So enjoy the frozen yogurt mango popsicle, and if you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.